Hello everyone, my name is Mudit and I am a part of the product sales specialist team at Netcore Cloud. I call myself as passionate about solving for engagement and retention challenges and also a firm believer in the concept of product-led growth. Right? I would love to connect with each one of you through @I Mudit Shukla on LinkedIn/Twitter. So over the next 20 odd minutes, I am going to share some ideas on how we could build onto retention by delivering some fantastic user experiences. Also, I more often look at the world through the lens of a consumer, pertaining to which I have accumulated a bunch of brand stories that could help build context to the message that I want to convey today. Okay, so now why retention, right? We all know retention is gold and way tougher, than acquisition as a challenge today. After all the cost and effort, behind acquiring a user, the last challenge we want again is to spend costs behind reacquiring those users. Hence, it becomes essential for us to have a rock solid retention strategy in place. The slightest of upticks in retention can significantly help you increase profits, reduce your costs, and boost your overall CLTV. Now, let's look at the path to crafting data driven customer experiences that will help us impact retention. It's majorly a four-step process which starts off with the already existing data abundance at your front. The goal is to create 360 customer views across channels. These views, topped up with analytics, will generate insights daily and help us decode user behavior across channels and on our platform. For example, which parts are user taking on my platform to complete a key activity, right? How many steps would new users take to get themselves activated during the onboarding flow? Right? Where do users spend most time on my platform? Right? And so on, there could be multiple more questions. We then go ahead and craft personalized and contextual experiences across channels that are truly relevant to every single user. All of this will inevitably lead into a delightful omni-channel user experience. See, the broader goal is to understand the user, earn their trust, engage them with relevancy, and help them build habits onto your platform that could inevitably retain them for life. Now, here's a quick stat. In a recent report published by App Annie, the average sessions per user in FinTech for India grew by 5.4x, right, as compared to banking apps, with a considerable room, by the way, to grow a lot more further. With that in mind, let's look at story and experience number one. Over here, I'm taking the example of a payments app. We know that the way to retention for a payments app is basically to build user habits, correct? To make successful transactions over and over again, to get them to do these sessions as many times as possible. Each time you get the user to pay through your app, you're not only increasing user sessions, but getting the user habituated in becoming their preferred app for payments. So the goal is, how do I help users build that habit? In context, one of our most recent experiences was Google Pay's fan wall. They had a variety of different payment modes that they wanted users to transact through. They added a layer of gamification to it. The progress wall that you see over here, it showed users completion status and how far they were from bagging an exciting user reward. As a matter of fact, I had never made a bank transfer through this app, but this particular campaign, this particular gamification motivated me to do one transfer, right? Similarly, if retention for your app, right, would be relevant to get users to pay maybe 3+ bills, right, to get them activated. The goal is to help users towards paying those bills. We want to increase their motivation and guide them to do these transactions. Gamification, right, in this particular case look like one bill paid 35% complete, pay bill to, do a bank transfer, do XYZ, and so on. Here is another example, of getting a reward when making a transaction through the Amazon Pay app. Right, you basically get something in Amazon stocks that you can basically use and invest there. All of this, apart from your in-app experiences and gamification, in order to build habits, you could constantly motivate users to come back to your app and complete these transactions through automated communication journeys via emails, push notifications, and so on and so on. Okay, while we are aware of this, but just to state the numbers, the top 5 investment and trading apps have witnessed incredible growth in recent years, right? A recent report by App Annie just validated that there has been a 65% year-on-year growth in hours spent on the top 5 investment and trading apps in India. Right? With that in mind, with that in context, let's look at experience number 2. A while back, when I was using the India Wealth app, the InWealth app, I made an investment in Tesla stocks. Right? Recently, when I logged back into the India Wealth app, there were a bunch of IPOs that were live. And instead of asking me to invest in all of those IPOs, it asked me to invest in Rivian, an EV company backed by Amazon, as we all know. Now, this had obviously happened because I had invested in Tesla. I got an email about everything Rivian, from vehicle pre-order to delivery details to the performance numbers for each car. I was clearly blown away by the details. Even my in-app experience was personalized with a banner that said invest in Rivian, right? Focused to the point and absolutely contextual. The idea from this remains to understand users by unifying user data, generate holistic one views, and then deliver highly personalized user experiences. These could be truly relevant to every single user, all loading up to a synchronous omni-channel experience across email, app, web, SMS, notifications, and so on. Now, this will not only help you remain relevant to the user, but also go ahead and drive them towards the bottom of your funnel. Know your customers, improve your conversions, right? So now we all know that there is basically no parallel to earning customer trust, right? Especially when you're talking about the fintech space, right? Let's look at experience number 3. Very similar to a trading app example over here that I experienced, right? While looking up a stock on Zerodha, the platform educated me with information that I was clearly unaware about. It gave me information in the form of a nudge. What's more interesting is another example of stock that I was looking onto, right? And it basically said there could be a significant risk of losing your entire investment by trading in this particular stock. I personally have never come across a platform that told me not to invest in a stock while I am on the platform and a couple of steps away to make a transaction. Over here, Zerodha might have lost on an earning upon the transaction that I might have made, but it surely earned my trust as a bankable and educative platform to go for trading over the next coming years, building customer trust, building customer relationships, right? So here are a couple of essentials from this particular example. Pertaining to retention, the goal is always to focus on building long-lasting customer relationships. Now, these could come through educative engagements and more contextual engagements. The goal is to focus from, away from one-time transactions to rather building onto increasing customer lifetime value, right? Point number 2, users' focus is 10 to 15 times higher while they are on your platform, right? And using nudges is basically one of the finest ways to guide and engage with them at that particular moment. It is the best when it comes to capturing user attention and driving them towards what you want them to discover and do. Nudges are absolutely powerful, right? Here's a quick another example, to build context and give you more on how you could build some great experiences to increase retention. As a payments bank or wallets app, user activation, right, would be absolutely critical, right? Getting users to, let's say, set up their profile, complete the KYC, enter a bunch of details requires the user to be driven to make that effort. And also we need to consider the number of wallet options available today. Now, this is how one of the top telecom players use nudges to guide users towards setting up wallets in the app. Using a simple nudge, it increased their wallet updates by 2x, right? That's how powerful nudges are, right? To basically engage with users and get them to do what you want them to do, right? And guide them basically in the right direction, right? Now, all of the above examples of user engagements could be topped up with ML and AI for an uplift in user experiences, which could lead to higher retention. Some of these methods are, you could communicate with the user at the right time when they are most likely to read your communication. Engage with them on the channel that they are most available on. Instead of communicating with them across channels, which will, inevitably uplift your user experience, right? Because you're engaging with them at the right time and at the right channel, right? For example, John gets his communication at 10 a.m. in the morning on push notification, while Bob gets his communication at 2 p.m. in the afternoon on an email, right? Completely contextual and completely focused communications at the right time on the right channel. Plus, what you could do is you could use AI to predict the right segments of users who are about to uninstall, who are about to churn, who are about to convert. This could help you optimize your budgets to focus on the right set of customers while giving you maximum output because you are focusing on the right set of users, right, for a particular North Star metric. To quickly talk about Netcore Cloud's MarTech stack, we have a customer engagement module that helps you construct unified user views. We have an analytics layer that helps you understand user behavior across your platforms. On the personalization module, it will then help you craft contextual omni-channel engagement and experiences while significantly reducing your time and efforts. The product experience module of the stack basically helps you deploy contextual nudges, tooltips, walkthroughs, enhancing your product experience, so that you're engaging with the user at the right time with the right communication. We also have an added layer of CDP and platform APIs. The entire stack for Netcore Cloud is powered with AI and ML. This will help you significantly save cost and optimize your user experience, right? So you could use the entire stack or you could use modules of it depending on the use case for your brand. We have always believed and will continue to spend our entire energies to focus on customer centricity. Gartner 2021 Pure Insights just validated that. Netcore Cloud is now selected by customers themselves as the #1 MarTech platform for engagement and retention. We are proud and ecstatic to be working with the likes of Motilal, Bajaj, Khatabook, Credivo, Unocoin, and so on. To quickly go ahead and close the session, hope this had some takeaways that could help power up your strategy for delivering great customer experiences for retention. We at Netcore Cloud would love to have a conversation with you around your marketing-driven challenges, especially pertaining to engagement and retention. We could connect on these coordinates on the screen right now. Signing off until next time, stay safe, take care, and wishing you all the very best.